are pleased to show you the 2016 Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.